If you are looking to up your forex game and save some cash, you are in the right place. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into the best free backtesting software out there, CTRADER. We all know that backtesting is crucial for any trading strategy. You cannot be a successful trader without backtesting strategies. It is challenging to get a backtesting software which is actually totally free. But in this channel, I'm going to show you how to use CTRADER to backtest all your strategies. It is free, it is user friendly, it is a powerful software, and you can use it to backtest your strategy as easy as it can get. Stick around as I show you how to use CTRADER to backtest your strategies. By the end, you'll be backtesting like a pro without spending a dime. Let's get started.
So the first step is to download the CTRADER app. So the CTRADER app, the link is going to be in the description. So go to the CTRADER app and then you download it. So once you get to the CTRADER app, click on CTRADER for Windows, and if you are using Mac, click on CTRADER for Mac and then download it. Okay, so once it's downloaded, locate it in your downloads folder and then install. Okay, since I already have CTRADER on my system, so I don't need to install it again. The next step now is to open up a demo account. So for this I'm going to be using Dominion Markets because they are one of the best brokers I use. So Dominion Markets. All right, so go to Dominion Markets, click on their link, and then register. So you can register on Dominion Markets. So you click on register here, or you can click on register here. So this could be network issues. So you click on register. Yeah, I guess it's network issues. And do not forget to like and subscribe to my channels. It's going to go a long way. And once it's loaded, enter your name, fill in the details here to register. So you can register from any country except the US. So when you register, then you are going to create a demo account. Okay, so you are going to be on your login dashboard here, and then the next thing you are going to do is locate CTRADER here. Okay, locate CTRADER and click on it, and it's going to load and take you to the CTRADER option to create a demo account. So from here you click on add account here and then choose demo. Under select product, you can choose anyone, but I would advise to choose CTRADER ECN demo, and then you can choose the currency which you prefer. Account type is set on edging, the leverage 1 to 500, 1 to 100. I use 1 to 100 most times. Then you could, so your start amount is the amount you want to the demo, like the demo money, the amount you want to be deposited to your demo account. So I would advise you to take like 500 to 1000, yeah, and then add new account. Okay, so you add new account, and once your account is successfully created, you're going to see it here with your account ID located. But you don't need anything else from here. What you need to do now is you go back to your CTRADER app, and then you're going to log in with your Gmail. That's the best way to log in. So once your CTRADER app is loaded, just click on your Google to load your Google account into your CTRADER directly. So the CTRADER is going to toggle the Google account. You just click on your Google account, and the best part of this is that all your accounts are going to be synced into one, which means every of the demo accounts you created from your broker is going to be synced as one. So let me go back to my CTRADER now, and now it's writing connecting. The next thing is you're going to see all your account listed here, all your accounts. So you can see, so this is the $500 demo account which I created. I'm going to click on it and I will be on the account. Now it is time to backtest. So if you are used to the trading platform already, you know the time frames, you know the candles and other things like that. But the most important aspect is here. So we have market replay. Can you see that? Market replay. But before you click on this market replay, you need to go to the time frame at which you want to backtest. For me, I backtest under 30 minutes time frame, and for you it could be 15 minutes, it could be 1 hour. You just have to choose the time frame which is suitable for you to backtest. One downside of CTRADER is you can only backtest on a single time frame. So hopefully they are going to update this in the nearest future, but you can only backtest on a single time frame. So click on market replay while you are already on the time frame you want to backtest. You click on market replay, and then this arrow is going to appear. So this arrow that has appeared, you just need to locate it anywhere and just click. So once you locate and click, this page is going to open up, the market replay CTRADER. So it's going to show you some information which says the market replay feature is designed to test the performance of your trading strategies. So you can see that it's a tool that is designed to test your performance for your trading strategies and know how you are going to perform. So from here, you can now set your starting capital, you can set your start date, and you just start your backtesting. So most importantly is the date. So you can just go back to the future. So let's say I want to backtest the year 2024. I will just go to probably October, and then let me just choose a date here, 14th. Yes, and I'll set the time to 20. Okay, no, I'll set the time to 6. Okay, I'll set the time to 6. Yeah, I'll set the time to 6, and then yeah, 6. Yes, set the time to 6. So under data here, it's going to ask you, do you want 1 minute bars for servers opening price, or you want tick getters for servers? I would advise you to click on tick getter from server, which means it's going to give you the direct data in the tick form, which is always accurate. Okay, you could leave the speed now at 1000. When you open up the backtesting app, you can still change that. So let's click on start, and it's going to load the historical market data, which means it's going to download all the data from the particular time which you set to backtest. So it's going to load. It could take a while. For me, it took about 5 minutes to load. It depends on the speed of your internet, and it depends on how far back you went. So you are going to be patient for this, wait for it to load, and it's done. And once the page is loaded, it's going to show like this. You could see from here, you can see that the market is replaying automatically. So reduce the speed. Okay, so it goes slowly, and then you can pause it from here. So you can maximize from here, and now you are ready to backtest. Okay, so at the bottom area here, you can see your balance, $5,000 as equity, and you could now start backtesting. Okay, so all right, once the page is loaded, you pause and then make your analysis. Once it's loaded, at the top here you have the options to pause and play. You could skip the candles forward by clicking on this to skip the candles forward by one single candle, and from here also you can increase and decrease the speed on how suitable you want it to go. Okay, so you could play here and it continues. So you could set up your strategy, if it is support and resistance, if it is fair value gap, anything you want to do. You could use your tools to analyze your markets any way you want it to. And once you are done, then from here you could enter your orders. Okay, let's say I want to enter a sell order and I'm using one standard lot. From here I could pause and place an order. Another is going to be placed here, and it's so easy for you to set stop loss and take profit. All you just need to do is drag, and you're going to see your potential profit and your potential loss all at the same time. So say something like this, and then you could just keep on playing. So underneath here you're going to see your balance, if you're making profit, if you're making loss, and all are going to appear here. So you could take your trade and let the market run, check if your strategies actually worked or not from here. So this is how it is. It's going to be loading like a real market. We could also increase the speed to see if it's actually going well or it's not. So if that is done, you could enter it. You could hit stop loss or take profit, go to your history and check how you actually took the trade, analyze your market, journal your back testing all at once from here, and then you are all good. Okay, so this is how you back test for free using CTRADER. Okay, the only flip side on CTRADER is that it's only stuck on one time frame, so you cannot change the time frame when you're actually back testing. It's still good though. I love using it and it's so convenient for me. Okay, if this has helped you very much, it will be appreciated if you like and subscribe to my channel. So that will be all for now. See you guys in my next video.